My name is Trevor, and I have the coolest job ever. I get to study learning and then share that information with people from all over the world. I've worked with the World Bank, United Nations, International Monetary Fund, but I've also worked with kindergarten students, I've worked with Olympic teams, I've even done workshops in prisons. And getting to teach people this stuff is so much fun and so rewarding. But honestly, the best part about my job is the learning that I get to do. I get to hang out with the actual researchers, the people that have devoted decades to studying learning and development. The way we see it is, first, learning is a skill. That's the best news. It's something we can all get better at. But second, I think you could argue that learning is the most important skill. Like if we're good at learning, that's going to benefit us in any scenario. Good learners are better at solving problems and dealing with change and building new skills when they need to. So whether the goal is for more growth and innovation or to deal with tough challenges and setbacks, learning is the answer. So in our workshops, we provide the concrete building blocks and tools to help people become better individual learners, and we spend a lot of time on leadership applications as well. With this 1-2 punch, the audience is going to get concrete, usable tools that they can put into practice immediately. They're going to have a better understanding of the learning process for themselves and others. And I can promise you this will be really, really engaging, but also useful. There's no just fake activities that are designed to make us feel good in the moment. We want to actually dig into the science, dig into the applications, so people can use these tools tomorrow, next week, next month, because that's what really matters for presentations like this. I can't wait to get in and get to work. If you have any questions, please let me know.